Hello, everyone. It's Vanette. My placement is in a homeless center. It's a 50-bed unit where clients are referred through the outreach or the overnight centers, overnight shelters. They're already processed for the Your Way Home program, and we get the opportunity to help them to continue on their search for permanent housing. What I enjoy. I enjoy working with the case managers. There are three case managers, and each of them have a different um, work style. The process is the same, the documentation is the same. However, um, actually observing how each case manager presents or themselves and how they assist the clients is interesting, and it gives me ammunition to better myself by trying to emulate some of their styles in each person's style. One challenge. The challenge I have is just working with the different the different regulations. I'm used to working in long-term care where all the clients have all the rights. Incidentally, in the homeless center, it's more rules than rights. Not that they're not treated respectfully. However, there are many rules that I am still learning to accept. But I think I'm doing well. One thing I've learned about myself is that I am resourceful. I am learning. That's what I've learned about myself. I am learning the different processes. I am learning to work not just with different individuals, but I'm learning to work faster. And time is of essence. And I've learned that my what is it? My working skills? No, my time management skills has improved, and I am proud of that. Thank you guys. Hope we all have a great semester and see you all soon. Feel free to respond. Thank you.